हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ट्रैवल विद कांचन। तो अगर आप मेरे वीडियोस अच्छे से देख रहे होंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि मैं आपको चाइना की हर एक प्लेस की इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रही हूँ। यहाँ पे घूमने वाली जगह से लेकर इस कंट्री में आने तक हमें क्या क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं, उस सब बारे में मैं आपको बता रही हूँ। तो ऐसी ही बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ अगले आने वाले वीडियोस में। तो इसलिए अगर आपने मेरे वीडियो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड के साथ भी शेयर कीजिए। तो कोई भी नई कंट्री में शिफ्ट होने के बाद हम वहाँ पे रहने की जगह ढूंढते हैं। उसके बाद में वहाँ पे खाने पीने की चीज़ें हम ढूंढते हैं। उसके बाद में वहाँ का एक वैलिड आईडी प्रूफ हमें बनाना पड़ता है। फिर चाहे वो सोशल सिक्योरिटी कहो या फिर रेसिडेंट परमिट, तो वो हम बनाते हैं। फिर उसके बाद में आता है ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस। हम जिस कंट्री में जाते हैं उस कंट्री में अगर हमारे पास में खुद की कार है, पर्सनल व्हीकल है, तो उसके लिए ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस भी नेसेसरी है। तो इसलिए हमारी नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस होती है ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस की। तो इसलिए चाइना में आके हम ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस के लिए कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, उसकी क्या प्रोसेस है, ये सब इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको इस वीडियो में मिलेगी। मेरे हस्बैंड ने अभी अभी जस्ट यहाँ पे चाइना में अपना ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस निकाला है, तो वही उन्होंने लाइव प्रोसेस आपके साथ शेयर किए। तो चलिए देखते हैं आगे का वीडियो मेरे हस्बैंड के साथ।
I come again on the People's Second Hospital. Here I come today for my driving license medical test. I will go for my eye and maybe my legs and hand assessments based on some criteria. Doctors will give me the ratings and I have to go to police station with that report. And once I submit my medical report to the police station, I have to appear for a driving exam or test. It's like 100 questions they have, and passing criteria is like 80 or 60. I don't know, to be honest. Maybe I'll come to know. I'll share it, and if I pass it, I will be eligible for driving license here. So I don't need to get a driving road test. So there are two rules. If you have your home country driving license, which we usually call out of country as an international license, you can use that for 3 months, and after that just take that same license, go and get it translated to the Chinese language, pass some medical test, and you can just get a Chinese driving license. And let's say if you don't have a license, then it's a regular process. You have to apply for license, you have to get a medical test, then you have to get a 100 marks exam. After that exam you have to go for the road test, and after that road test you have to again appear for 50 questions exam. If you pass that, you get the license. So a little complicated process, easy but complicated. So here we are. So this nice guy, he's helping me out. He's my translator, my friend.
护照是吧？要 passport。
Yes. 16 RMB it's for the test or for registration?
Test.
It's for the test, so that's my token. Can I see it?
Yeah.
So this is my token and something written in Chinese. Don't know. This shows it's a driver medical test. This direction we have to go.
Number 5.
So the number 5, we have to go for test. I'll take my, sorry. So this is my card. I have passed my test, medical test specifically, and they just took my eye test and my height. They don't want my legs and arm test, so he just gave me sign letter, which I had to submit in police station. We'll walk to police station now. Just nearby.
Why didn't they check your legs and
Why?
arms?
Why?
Because you're walking by yourself.
Oh, maybe, yeah. But I took your help. So technically you're my legs and you're my hands. right? Yeah. So that's all for this. Let's see. This is the height criteria. If you are below 120, 25, you are not allowed. You have to be more heighted than that. Maybe there will be some other means. If your height is less, I don't know about it. Here is a photo section. I have to take a photos for my driving license. Maybe the person inside will take my photo. And but there is no person. I just need to sit inside. It's auto system. Click by yourself. So here I am. Lady is making my residence letter. She asked for my passport. She will give me my residence letter, which I have to take to Vehicle Management Station, RTO. So this is my residence letter, administration regulation form, which I have to submit. License will be translated. That's entry date, yeah. She's asking entry date. So there are a few things which I should not allow to capture, but I'll let you know what are those. Otherwise, you can capture anything everywhere in China. There is no restrictions. So she's scanning my passport, my entry and exit. So she just scanned my license, it's original or not. Then she did. Yes, she copied my license. Yes. Then this is my Indian license translation form. Whatever present on your license must be translated to the Chinese language. You can see front and back of your license and just get it translated. If you have ADL status, you can just explain what is ADL status or any status on your license. Translate it to the English, get it signed by authorities. Then here you can see there is a AED status. This AED means earlier I had only motorbike license, then I get a motor vehicle license. So on this day I get a motor vehicle license. So that's what additional license, addition of the license. Then this is my form for the medical check. Then this is my translation, like it gives me all the authorities where my license will expire and everything, what's my name in Chinese is, and all documents you just need to submit to station. Hope it will go through now. So along with that, you have to take 3 photos with the clear white background. Don't forget, background is white, so your clothes should not be white. It should be contrast. If your clothes are white, the photos will not be accepted. So that's how it is. When you come with your original license, they will check it everything. They will verify, they will scan it to the system.
那个的话，它可能有那种练习的东西吗？
有的。他们老外的话可以下一个这个。
She wants me to do test now.
Yeah, I'm asking the test.
那 这个老外的类似于驾考宝典一样的东西，但是我不知道需不需要开
This
会
is
员
the
是不
app
是
she's showing where I
我
can
进去发的是
take a trial test.
看看这种题目也挺简单的，你可以看
take
一下
a。rules and take a trial test.
我叫姐姐念
She's showing all the things. It's in English.
叫老外
Translation is
drive
available.
Remember
It's
this?
low
No, why?
lower drive is the app. Okay, that's app which helps you get the driving rules and
那
license
我到
things.
前面5号窗手
So once you get that, yes. So we are moving to the window. So she asked us to give a test now, but we are not giving it now. I'll prepare something. I don't want to fail. Okay. We are to the other window now. Maybe I'll stand. This guy is really nice. He's helping me out everywhere. Okay. So once all application is filled, you have to give them a date for your exam. Once you give a date, it works only on working days, not on weekends.
For the
Yep. How much I have to pay?
study. No. License.
Driving license. Okay.
原页吗
Yep.
Yeah, this one.
Once you fill all the form, you have to select a date for the test. They will put you on the test on that day, and then I have to pay 30 RMB fees for the test. So fees will be each time. If you fail the test, you have to pay it again, 30 RMB. Is there any duration? Let's say if I fail a test today,
Yeah.
then
You can test again.
at what day? Next day or immediately?
Immediate.
Okay, so there is no limitations. I can give the test immediately. There is no span which I have to wait and appear again. And 30 RMB each time. There will be 100. Yes. There will be 100 questions, and out of that, I have to guess at least 90 questions right. So 10 mistakes are allowed. Questions are general questions like whether you take a turn or not, or just general traffic rules. So almost here. So she's printing my receipt for payment. So the 30 RMB I'm paying for the test. Payment is done. Yes, done.
好，来听一下啊。
You get just a code.
考试时间的话是23年8月11号，上午、下午都可以去。他们那边的工作时间是8点到4点，然后考试地点是在常熟市董邦镇新安路55号董邦考试中心。如果说下午去，你第一场不一定能考得过的话，必须要在2点钟之前到。如果你一场能通过，那你3点钟之前到。反正一场要45分钟，你至少要留考试时间。如果当天第一场没考过，下去交个钱上去继续考，当天可以考2次。如果2次都没有通过，直接在董邦那边预约下一场考试。具体要隔几天问一下董邦那边的工作人员。如果说考试通过的话，找工作人员打印成绩单，找考官签字，然后拿着那张成绩单来这边找我领证。14号窗口或者前面绿色窗口都可以领证，明白了吗？
哪个绿色的？
最前面有一个绿色窗口或者14号窗口，工作时间我基本都在的。
好的。
我们这边工作时间反正是这个，好了。
就是周内是吧？
对，工作日。
This is my receipt. Where I have to, on what date I have to get a test, what will be my batch, and all instructions are given here, like address, time, and what I have to do.
तरह से ये पूरी प्रोसेस होती है। इसके बाद में आपको फिर ऑनलाइन ड्राइविंग टेस्ट देनी है। अगर आप वो पास हो जाते तो आपको ऐसे ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस मिल जाएगा। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा और हेल्पफुल लगा होगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए।